Legs. I'll be honest with you lot, I don't enjoy training my legs, but we need to strengthen them so that we can do everyday tasks with vigor, such as walking, picking things up. You'd be very surprised what you miss out on when you have weak legs. Alright, we're going to be doing some exercises that you might find familiar. They're slightly modified. For example, when we do a half squat, on the way up, we stand on our tippy toes to finish. In today's low intensity interval training, where we move our legs for 45 seconds, rest in 15 for 5 rounds. So, are you ready to make some moves in minutes? The workout begins in 15 seconds. So, we're gonna bring our feet slightly apart from our shoulders in the widthways, and we're gonna sit back in a squat as far as you feel comfortable, stand back up, and then finish off by standing on our tippy toes. And 2, 1, go. Sit back, keeping your posture nice and straight. Sit back up, stand on our tippy toes, and repeat for the rest of this round. Just imagine you're sitting back in a chair and standing back up on it. And we're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now, bring your feet back to shoulder width apart. We're going to do a leg raise, so bring it up like so with your knee. And on the way at the top, stand on our left tippy toe and finish and alternate it between each round. Begin. So right knee up, stand on your left tippy toe. Left knee up, stand on your tippy toe. Bring your knee up as comfortable as you feel, because everyone's fitness level is different. I'm bringing it up nice and high because it's a bit more challenging, but you can also bring it low as I'm about to show you, like so. Past the halfway point now. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Complete. Now we're going to bring our right foot back like so, and then stand on our tippy toes. Then alternating to your left. Stand on your tippy toes. That's all we're doing for the next round. Scratch anything you feel itchy about and begin. Right leg back, stand on our tippy toe. Left leg back, stand on our tippy toe. Keeping it nice and simple. As I said before, bring it up as comfortable as you feel. Hey, remember to breathe because we're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. Now we're going to do a similar thing to the second exercise, but we're going to bring our knee out. So bring your knees out like so, stand on your tippy toes. Remember to bring it up as high as you feel comfortable. 2, 1, begin. So knees out, tippy toes. Knees out, tippy toes. This is if you want to keep it easy. Knees out, nice and low, tippy toe. Like so. To make it more difficult, this is what I'm doing. I'm bringing it nice and high. And we're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great. In the final exercise, what we're going to do is bring our legs nice and straight, then stand on our tippy toes. Bring it back down. Left leg straight. Stand on our tippy toes. That's it. That's all we've got for the final round. 3, 2, 1. Begin. Right leg straight out. Bring your knees up. Or your shin, your tippy toes up. Sometimes I trip on my words. But hey, every workout isn't perfect. The fact that you're here is amazing. We're here to change lives. And we're halfway there. Ten more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Great job everyone for finishing that workout. Leave in the comments below how you felt during that exercise. Hit the like button and share this video with someone that needs a bit of a nudge to begin their fitness journey. Just remember, we don't have to be killing ourselves to get fit. Subscribe for more videos because I'll be releasing quite regularly. And if you feel like you can do more, check out my other workout videos to add on to your exercise routine. All right, I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye.